Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey, a story that spans billions of years, to explore how our amazing world came to be, from its very beginnings right up to the present day. It's a tale of cosmic dust, fiery beginnings, and the slow, persistent unfolding of life. Imagine, if you will, a vast, empty expanse. Then, in a moment we can barely comprehend, a colossal event, the Big Bang, set everything in motion. From an incredibly dense point, space, time, and all the matter and energy in the universe burst forth. This wasn't an explosion asterisk in asterisk space, but an explosion asterisk of asterisk space itself. For eons, this expanding universe was a swirling, chaotic mix of fundamental particles. As things cooled, these particles began to clump together. Gravity, that invisible force, became the architect. It pulled together gas and dust, forming the first stars. These stars were the universe's first factories, forging heavier elements within their fiery cores. When these massive stars eventually met their spectacular ends in supernova explosions, they scattered these newly created elements across the cosmos. These scattered elements, the building blocks of everything we know, eventually coalesced into new stars and, crucially, around those stars, into planetary systems. Our own solar system formed from a giant cloud of gas and dust, a swirling disk where our sun ignited at the center, and the planets, including our Earth, gradually accreted from the leftover material. Our early Earth was a very different place. It was a molten ball, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. Over millions of years, it cooled, and the first oceans began to form as water vapor condensed. It's within these primordial oceans that the most profound chapter of our story began, the emergence of life. The exact spark is still a subject of scientific wonder, but evidence points to simple organic molecules forming and eventually organizing into self-replicating structures. These were the very first, incredibly basic life forms. From these humble beginnings, evolution, driven by natural selection, began its relentless work. Life diversified, becoming more complex, adapting to every conceivable environment. We see the rise of single-celled organisms, then multicellular life. Plants began to colonize the land, transforming the atmosphere. Then came the animals, evolving into an astonishing array of forms, from the smallest insects to the colossal dinosaurs that once roamed our planet. The story of life is also a story of change and adaptation. Mass extinction events, though devastating, cleared the way for new forms of life to flourish. And then a species emerged that would fundamentally alter the course of Earth's history: humans. Our journey from early hominids to the complex societies we have today is a testament to our capacity for innovation, cooperation, and learning. We developed tools, language, agriculture, and eventually the scientific understanding that allows us to even contemplate this grand narrative. We built civilizations, explored our planet, and are now reaching out to the stars. Looking back, it's truly awe-inspiring to consider the sheer scale of time and the intricate chain of events that led to this very moment. To you and me, and to the world we inhabit. Every atom in our bodies was forged in the heart of a star. Every living thing on Earth is a descendant of that first spark of life. It's a reminder of our interconnectedness with the universe and with all life. As we continue to learn and grow, understanding our past empowers us to shape a better future. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible exploration. I hope it sparked a sense of wonder and appreciation for our shared history. If you enjoyed this journey through time, please consider following for more explorations into the fascinating world around us.